Okay, this is Kyle with 5 Minute Guide, and today I'm going to show you how to make a three-dimensional shipping crate in Blender. This is first part of the Blender game elements series, so let's get started on this. So we're going to start with the cube in the middle of the Blender opening screen, so we're just going to use the standard cube. We're going to hit tab to go into edit mode, and we're just going to go over here to this side on the left. We're going to select the two top vertices. We're going to hit W for subdivide. We're going to subdivide that, and we're going to click on the section that we subdivided. We're going to hit G for grab. We're going to grab that on the x-axis, so X, and then we're going to go 0.8. I'm going to move it over to the right, 0.8. Okay. Then we're going to do that with the same. We do that the same with this right side here. So W, subdivide, select the middle there, G for grab, and then this is going to be on the Z-axis, and we're going to do 0.8 again. Now we have to do the same thing here with this side. So W, subdivide, grab on the X, negative 0.8. Oh, select the center, grab negative 0.8. And then with these 2 points on the left here, W, subdivide. Let's actually zoom in here a little bit so we get a better picture. Select the middle there and grab that, and we'll go negative 0.8 on the Z-axis. Okay, so what we're doing right here, we're going to select these three, and then we're going to select these three vertices as well. We're going to hit F for face, and then we're going to hit E for extrude, and then we're going to want it on the Y-axis, so hit Y, negative 0.09 on the Y-axis. Alright, so it pops out just a little bit, and that's what we want. It's just a little three-dimension there. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to hit these two vertices here, and they're not going to subdivide. If you look at these two, they don't actually form, if you hit all four, they don't actually form a face. So what we're going to have to do is hit F for face. Actually, we're going to actually change that. So Z, we'll Apple Z that. So we have those four corners selected. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to select this face here, and we're going to hit X, and we're going to delete faces. Okay, then we're going to go back to vertices select here. We're going to select those four corners, like so, and we're going to do a face. And that way it separates us from these corners, those vertices that we just made, because they kind of mess up the rest of it if we don't do that. So you got to remember to delete that face there. All right, so then with these two top vertices selected, W, subdivide that, click on the center, and we're gonna grab that on the x-axis. I'm gonna go negative 0.8 again. So then we can grab these four vertices here, not the first ones on the top, but the ones on the bottom. Forgot to hit shift. So we got those four vertices. You can see them like that. Hit zoom in again. Hit F for face. Okay, and then what we can do with that is we can extrude with E on the y-axis, and we can have that go out 0.1 negative. So negative 0.1. And what it does is it goes out just a little bit further than the 0.09 that we did last time with the other one. So the edge pieces will come out beyond this angle side that we're looking at. Alright, so now what we can do is do this left side here. W, subdivide that. Click on the center there, grab that on the Z-axis, 0.8, enter. And then we can select these vertices, F for face, extrude that on the y-axis, and that'll be 0.1 negative. And we just do that the whole way around for this front face. So those two vertices, W, oops. So you don't want subdivide smooth because then it angles it really funny. So make sure you hit just subdivide. Alright, grab that on the x-axis, 0.8, and then shift select these four vertices, F, extrude that on the y, and negative point, oops, negative 0.1. Alright. And then the last one here, do those two vertices, W, subdivide, grab the center vertice, and we're going to hit G for grab on the z-axis, and this is negative 0.8 again. Those two there, these two on the left, F for face, gonna extrude that on the y-axis, and we're going to go negative 0.1, boom. And there you go, you have an entire facing just like that. Alright. If you found this tutorial useful, leave a comment in the comment area below and subscribe to our YouTube page.